What's up, guys? Colin with Kill Mode, and today we're taking my M4 to the dealership for service. So just an oil change, this should be all it needs. I guess we'll find out if they have any other recommendations, but I wanted to make a video or point out something in a video that I guess a lot of BMW owners don't know is available for their cars. So it's called BMW Ultimate Care. And what it is if your car is 5 years old or has more than 60,000 miles on it, you qualify. So what that is a 3-year unlimited mileage oil change package. So for 3 years, your oil changes are covered. The problem is, or the downside is, that they'll only change your oil if you've reached the service interval, which on an F82, F80, is 10,000 miles, which is way too much in my opinion. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna enroll in that today. I've already texted my service advisor, confirmed that my car is qualified, and it's $200. So I'm gonna pay $200. The car will then be enrolled in their program, and I'll get them to change my oil every 10,000 miles, but I'll change the oil at 5,000 in between. So it's gonna get oil changes every 5,000 miles for half the price. So anyways, guys, that's something that I wanted to point out to you guys, let you know is available. I'll continue this video and update you once I'm enrolled, let you know how that went, if there's any weird caveats or details that they don't disclose, and as well as just how service goes for my car. The reason this is such a good deal is because I got quoted for an oil change on my M4, and they wanted $198 after tax. The package is $199. So one oil change is the same price as buying their Ultimate Care package. So it's kind of a no-brainer, especially if you only do oil changes on the service interval recommended from BMW. As a personal risk tolerance, I don't, but maybe some people, that's cool for them. They don't drive the car hard. But, that package makes a lot of sense. So I'm just gonna buy that, and then I have 3 years, I don't have to worry about it. Another thing, just to rant real quick, the tax that they include in the oil change, because that price is after tax, must be M tax, because every other BMW, so like a B58, a 340, 440, 540i, all of the 40i's, any inline 6 turbo or 4-cylinder is $100 for an oil change. The M4 is also a 6-cylinder. There's no difference to changing the oil. The filter is in the same location. The drain bolt is in the same location. They charge another $100 simply because it's an M car, which kind of is frustrating, not because it's a ton of money. It's still relatively a good deal. I've got friends that are servicing Porsches, GT3s, things like that, and their service bills are just stupid. But why do they charge us an extra $100 because it has an M badge on it? Like, that's kind of stupid. But anyways, I'll stop ranting. I'm gonna head to the dealership and see how this goes. All right, guys, so I got the service done. It was $199 out the door, and I found out that the contract is nationwide. So if you're in North America, you can get this contract. Nice parts are that it's connected to your key. So any dealership you go to, even if it's not the one you bought the package at, they'll honor the service. Pretty cool deal. There's no limitation to mileage getting the service either. He said they have an E39 with 500,000 miles that's using the service. They said he's gotten about 8 oil changes on it already. So pretty cool deal. It is a contract you have to read and sign, but it's not that serious. All it says is like cancellation policies, things like that. But I highly recommend it, especially if you have an M car, because your one oil change is $200. So just get the package. But yep, it's $200. I'll show you right there, $199. Ask your service advisor for it. 100% recommend. It's a great deal. If you want to change your oil early, you will have to cover it. Although I will say, my car was technically not due for an oil service, and my service advisor was able to make it happen anyways. He wasn't sure if it was going to be possible, but he was able to get it done. So it might be kind of on the honor system of like, hey, don't wear this out, just get close to the mileage. I'm not sure. It probably depends on the dealership. But yep, 10 out of 10 recommend. My F82 is done. I actually made a friend in the waiting room who has a ZHP 340i that is in Melbourne red with 14,000 miles. Pretty sweet. They only made 100 of them, so pretty cool car to see in here for service. It's just getting a look over. It hasn't been driven. So Yep, I just want to make a quick video telling you guys, if you have a modern BMW or even an older BMW, this is available to you. Couldn't recommend it more. It really is a good deal. And reading the contract, there's no gotchas. I mean, you just get your oil changed, easily. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, for more content. I'm posting BMW videos all the time with my E39, F82 M4, as well as, random other cars. So thanks for watching again. Appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.